Hello everyone. Welcome to video lecture series of digital and social media marketing. Today's topic is introduction to blogging. In this video I'll be talking about what is a blog, who blogs, why to blog, and what is the structure of blog. So there are various things I'm going to talk about in this particular video. Let us begin. First, let us begin with a blog. What do you understand by this? See, a blog, it is a kind of website which must be updated regularly and there must be some content, new content. And most of the blogs you must have seen, they may have some short information, some kind of articles, some kind of post. Usually what happened, these kind of posts usually have some information and that information may be in the form of the text, photos, videos, or there may be some other medium. Or you can say it is a kind of, or you can say like a blog, it is just a space which you have available on the web so that you can create your own records, you can express your thoughts, you can share your experience, you can share your interest. So this is what the blog is actually. And the particular term blogging, it was officially initiated in year 1993 and Justin Hall, he personally has done a blogging in year 1994. What happens sometimes whenever you are browsing a website, probably you must not have noticed before that you have seen some kind of blog post, even you must have read that kind of blog post, right? But now when you are studying about the blogging, then you can realize, okay, when I was browsing that particular content, I have seen the post that may be related to this. It means in some instant of time, blogs, they are like in the form of the online magazines or some online very like professional post, because in some of the organizations there are a team of persons who are paid for this particular job for blogging. They used to continuously update the blog with several new posts several times a day. They used to post something. But in general, sometimes, means if you talk about your personal interest, suppose your interest may be to just read about traveling, sometimes read about like personal blogs or something. So you may find majority of the blogs may be written by some of the persons in a particular domain, means that is what their interest, personality, the person who is writing, you are continuously following that. As you have can see in this particular image, I have taken a like image where you can see how professionally, how perfectly the content about this particular thing can be highlighted. So whenever you are going to visit, that is going to draw your attention. So this is about the blogging. So you must remember that blog, it is a very like influential way to connect with your audience. Via blog you can share your knowledge, and it is a very good way, very systematic and effective ways to establish yourself as an expert in any area. If you are an expert in exchange information, if you're like expert in traveling sharing information, you may be expert in some medical field, you may be expert in some like sharing personal experiences and all, means you could be expert in that particular area. And you must be amazed to know that about 10 million posts published every day. It means, how do you stand out of in that? How do you ensure that you have exactly what your audience is looking for? Means whenever you are doing the blogging, you must be very like particular about the content which you are going to post. Now, let us talk who blogs. See, there are various purposes of the blogging, but who blogs? So sometimes there are the person who are doing blogging, they are known as bloggers, right? So blogging, this is a fairly time consuming thing. Some of the people do because they have a hobby, and as many bloggers, they spend sometimes several hours each day or each week for writing blog posts, for replying the comments and many more. It means you can understand how much exhaustive, how much time consuming this particular. So the person who's having a hobby, that particular person can carry this thing very nicely. And there are various reasons why people blogs, right? If we talk about the bloggers, means the people who are writing blog, they are the bloggers. So it has been identified as per a survey research that 2 in 5 bloggers are women. And bloggers are of all ages. One third of the bloggers are over 45, right? This is per the report which is being shared by over here. And 60% of the bloggers, they consider blogging as a hobby. So this is why it's very, very important. Now, why blogs? Why it is very essential? As I've told you that most bloggers consider blogging as a hobby, means it is a fairly time consuming job, and there are various reasons, but some of the most common reasons are via blogging we can share our experience, our expertise. We can speak about certain issue about which the other persons would like to listen, other persons would like to explore. With the help of blogging, we would be more involved with our hobbies and passions. We would be a part of the community by doing blogging. And blogging is also very helpful to advance the careers or starting a career in any field, especially in case of writing or something, right? And to keep family and friends updated about our life, means if I'm doing a personal blogging, so with, if my family, my friends, they are following me, so with the help of the post which I'm creating on the social media, which I'm creating, so via that particular post my family members and friends will get to know about my personal professional life, what I'm going to post over there, means they can follow me. What are the benefits of starting a blog? See, blogging, you must be aware that it refers to something writing, photography, and other media, which is the self published online. It means blogging is considered as an opportunity for the individuals, just like writing a diary style entries. But now it has been incorporated into websites for many purposes, and blogging is very, very effective and very much utilized for the business purpose. So, benefits of starting a blog: if you wish to start a blog, it means you can start a new business, you can help someone in personal branding, keeps up to date in your area of interest. If you're having an interest about some property, something, some like traveling, so with the help of that you can keep you up to date, get more clients or customer to the existing business, means via creating post, via giving replies, right? So with the help of this blogging, more audience can be connected. Helps in search engine optimization, means if you are posting a quality blog means what the audience is looking for, what is the content which is going to attract the audience, it means the traffic will be increased. With the help of blogging, you can improve your writing skills, we can start selling digital products, we can start doing affiliate marketing, we can be an influencer in our industry with the help of blogging. Means if you have our audience, right, and if you are doing some like influencer marketing, so the audience who are your followers, definitely those particular audience is going to be benefited. So blogging can be a great source of income also. With the help of blogging, networking can be done with the other papers in your industry. You can gain popularity, you can gain exposure by doing the blogging, and even you can choose, you can become a like a wise blogger also. So there are various advantages, various benefits for starting a blog, and you must be aware that blogging, if there are various types of blogging, sometimes personal, sometimes professional, depending upon the interest. So blogging is now not limited to the personal blogs, it has increased its dimensions. Now let us talk about the blog structure. See, the appearance of block structure, it changes time to time. Here I am going to talk about the simplest one. What is the basic structure of an average block? That I am going to talk about here in this particular. So a simpler structure, the basic structure, it contains four things: header, main content area, sidebar, and the footer. Header means along with the menu and navigation bar, as you can see over here. Main content can be written with the highlighted or some latest blog posts. In the sidebar, some social profiles, favorite content, call to actions can be included. And here in the footer itself, some of the relevant links, sometimes like disclaimers, privacy policy, contact pages, some like contact information, sometimes additional information can be mentioned over here. It means this is the basic structure, and each item over here means all the four items, they have their own importance, and each and every item helps visitor to navigate through the blog. So you must remember how important, how effective the blog is. And now, as I've told you that this is the basic structure, so it has been elaborated, and there you may find a variety in a number of cases, right? Thank you so much for watching this video.